Many QuickBooks users require automated periodic billing using credit card information on file. In this video, we will see how WNetCard QB can be set up to generate periodic invoices with synchronous payments on those invoices. First, let's set up periodic invoices. Start by selecting a customer from the drop-down list. WNetCard QB pulls this customer list directly from QuickBooks. Then, enter the next invoice date and select the periodicity of these invoices in the top right corner. With the beginning date and frequency selected, all that remains is to itemize and price the invoice. As with the customer list, WNetCard QB retrieves the item list directly from QuickBooks. Select the item and enter the quantity in the next field. To the right of the quantity field, you can set the item's rate. If you do not set up the item's rate here, WNetCard QB will use the item's price set in QuickBooks at the time the invoice is generated. Clicking the Add button creates a line in the invoice. The column to the right of quantity in the new line item shows the preset rate. A 0 value means that the item's rate was not preset and will be taken from QuickBooks when the invoice is generated. In this example, we will create a second line with a different rate from the one in QuickBooks to display how it will appear on your screen. Finally, click the appropriate Save button depending on whether you need to generate more periodic invoices or are done with this task. Now that we know how to set up future periodic invoices, let's see how to actually generate and process payments on invoices set up on a previous date. The first step is to click on Create Invoices. Note that QuickBooks can be set up to either print, email, or do both for the invoices that you will generate. If you skip a day when generating invoices, a message window will pop up to inform you that you missed invoice generation for a customer whom you can include in the current group. You have now generated and posted your new invoices into QuickBooks. The status column shows that all of the customers have credit cards on file, so you can proceed with payments. Select All and click the Process button. The payments are processed one by one and posted into QuickBooks. Email notifications are also sent to customers who have addresses on file. Once the batch is finished processing, check back with QuickBooks to see that the payments have been posted and the corresponding invoices are marked as paid. The next date for invoice generation has been switched according to the frequency for every processed invoice. You can achieve tremendous productivity utilizing periodic invoices and payments. There are no limitations in WNetCard QB on how many invoices you may preset for a given date. The only limitation may come from your processor's cap on the number of authorized transactions in a batch before settlement. For any questions on this or other Medasyst products, please contact us or visit our website.